Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to clean File Explorer history in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for File Explorer option. Here you can see File Explorer option. You have to click on this. Now you can see here clear File Explorer history. Now you have to press on clear, next apply and OK. So this is how you can clean File Explorer history in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.